Okay, it's harvesting day for potatoes. Here we go. Here's Darcy, Master Gardener.
So when we're harvesting potatoes, we're just going to rip the plant right out gently from the ground. Give it a little shake. You'll see all of the baby potatoes are right there. Ta-da-ta-da. Oh, check it out. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Oh my God, they're so tiny.
Oh my gosh, I have to zoom in for that one. They are very tiny potatoes.
Super tiny.
How many potatoes do you see? Write the number. Then write an equation for how many potatoes there are. You can use an addition equation. For example, if there are 10 potatoes, you can write 5 plus 5 equals 10.